President Emerson Mnangagwa was launching what he called a Presidential Youth Empowerment Scheme, and it was under the theme Fuel Youth Ignite the Future. So under the thing presidential, what it means is it's something which was supposed to be not partisan, but it was turned into a partisan activity. It was turned into a ZANU-PF activity where songs and dance about 2030 were loudly heard. But when you look at the pictures right there, you could see that there is something very, very important missing right there. Opam Chinguri is there as the chairman of ZANU-PF and also as the Minister of Defense. President is there, but there are two men who are missing. Number one, Kembe Mohad has been missing for a very long time because of health issues. He's not feeling well. But Vice President Chiwenga is feeling well, but is not there, is missing. So there is a Tinoma Chakaire right there next to President Emerson. Then you go to the Minister of State for Harare Province is also there. So that is something which a lot of people have been asking to say, okay, where is Vice President Chiwenga? At this moment where the political situation is tense, everybody would have wanted to see Vice President Chiwenga right there in presence. We always see Vice President Chiwenga attending national events, especially government events.